What's up, guys? Okay, so the market's been super choppy and slow this week. So this is a trade from yesterday, Monday, August 7th. Since none of the cheaper stocks, the under $5 stocks, were really moving like I wanted them to, I started to pay attention to the more expensive stocks, and BITA caught my eye. It's a over $30 stock. It's at 35.73, and but it was moving. I saw a flat top breakout, a potential flat top breakout, and so I decided to get in with a small share size just to see what happens. So I got in with 27 shares. My entry was about 35.78. And I know you're probably thinking only 27 shares, why even try? But since these stocks are more expensive, they actually move quickly and in a bigger range than cheaper stocks, and so you could still profit, a decent amount with a small account, with only 27 shares. And so, anyways, I got in. You could see it starts to push up over $35. And the thing I really liked about this was that it was a flat top breakout, so it had previous resistance right around the $35.80 range. But then over that was the whole dollar, and so I knew if it could break out past that $35.80 range, it could also push out over the whole dollar at 36. And so I also set a stop loss here. If you don't know about UStock also has a stop loss feature. It's called the get out feature. I believe it's a market stop, but it still gets the job done. You can see here I set my stop for $35.60, and it even tells me I'm going to lose $6.40 even if I get stopped out. And so it tells you how much you'll lose if you do in fact get stopped out by setting that stop loss, which I thought was a pretty cool feature. And another thing is that some people complain about UStock not having charts and all this stuff, or not being, a dynamic platform. But the thing is, commissions are only $1. They don't have that extra money because they're not charging everybody tons of money with commissions to, implement really complex platforms and big fancy charts. But the thing about it is, you can set up a thinkorswim count for 100% free and just use your thinkorswim chart, and that's all that you really need. And that's really what they designed UStock for, is to use other charting software to trade, if you use charts at all. And so it works perfectly. You can see here I have them side by side and it works well. But anyways, you can see BITA decided to break over that $36 range. And you can see here it just moved from $36.16 to $36.42 in less than a second. And so that's how quickly these more expensive stocks, run. I'm currently up $15 or $16 with only 27 shares. And like I said, $15 of that 16 is profit, since, commissions are so cheap. And that's where I decided to get out here and take profit. Like I said, the market's been super slow and super choppy, so I just decided to, make a green day, and get out when I was up a little bit. And you can see here I was calling out my trade in the chat room. If you haven't come checked out our day trading chat room, you really need to. There's not a ton of people that go there every day, but we do post our watch lists every morning, and post what we're looking at and what's moving and stuff like that. And so come check it out. You don't have to put your email or anything. It's 100% free, so come check it out whenever you have time. Also, if you like these videos and you want to keep watching more videos like this, make sure to like and hit the subscribe button. It really helps support the channel. Leave a comment below as well if you have time. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching.